Hello students. So today I am here to discuss why we study history. Many times I heard from the students history is a very boring subject. So why should we study history? Today I will tell you why should we study history. The first of all, what is meaning of history? The history means the his story. The story of man, the story of woman. History means when we are talk about the past events. So history is the study of the past events. When we are studying the histories, history enable us to develop the better understanding of the world in which we are living. It also that tell us about how in the past the people have survived hard times. We can come to know what happened in the past by looking at the things from the past, including like sources, books, newspaper, letters, artifacts like poetry, tools, and the humor or animal remains. History is a very interesting subject. The study of the past is not only interesting, it is useful and informative also. History tells us how men and women lived from age to age, how they gradually grown, how have the languages grown, what social, political and religious institutions and the belief prevailed from time to time. We cannot understand our present life without a knowledge of the past. Thus, by the means of the history, the past is connected with the present. So we can make our present more better to learn by the history. We can then understand better how men and institutions have developed and how they have become what they are. Men without memories and the nation without the tradition would face an identity crisis. Hope you all are understand the importance of the past. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you.